Oh shoot. This makes this bigger. I can't, boy. Okay, we're going to play Welcome to Blacksburg Beta. And if you want to know my name, it's right up there. I'm gonna play. And it's loading. Blacksburg Burrito. And I'm gonna delete my mansion. Abby, can you stop being so selfish? Oh. Like me reading the freak out, okay? Okay. I'll give you a tour. And then I'm gonna delete it. I'm just kidding. I will make a new lot. I'm gonna fucking swing from the chandelier. This is what it looks like. Hold on, let me zoom out. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. I'm truly not feeling it. I know it has like an inside pool and all that, but I'm sure that I'm feeling it. Dude, there's a pool. Yeah, I'm just really not feeling it. Oh, please don't tell me my friend's gonna join. Please don't tell me my daughter's gonna join. I'm gonna take a portion and eat it. $10,000. That's cheap. And this is how much money I have left. It's 227. Not 1,000, just 227. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, all there is like stupid. Oh my god, like every time someone sees my house, they go to my freaking yard. Well, you're gonna have to get off my yard. Because, hold up. Let me remove this. There. It's called removing your car. What are you doing? This kid, this boy. Hi. I'm gonna be like, hi. Is he glit? Oh my god. Sorry, I don't have my webcam on. It's like, oh my god. What's wrong? Hooey. My friend said hooey. That's funny. You gotta go somewhere else. I'm sorry, but I'm making my house. I'm like probably gonna make like a freaking better house than this. That's what I'm gonna say. It's better than this, at least. That kid better build mode. Like, seriously, look at this. What up? I did not mean to delete that. Let me start off by deleting this. See, I have an instrument room. I forgot I have that. I have a soccer room. I have bedrooms. I have like a hangout area. I have a lot of stuff. I'm thinking about deleting my car and buying a new one, which will be a Jeep. I don't know if I should though. I really don't like this house. I should have people rent it. But everyone has a good house these days. Delete the furniture. Yeah, I'm gonna delete the furniture. I'm so stupid. I'm like, should I delete the furniture? Yeah, I'm gonna delete the furniture. Oh, I did not mean to delete the floor. Except for that computer. Yeah, I'm gonna delete the computer. I'm gonna get a better computer anyway. Oh my god. I just now realized how ugly that freaking thingy looked. I feel stupid. I'm gonna die. I say that when I'm laughing my butt off. But I'm not laughing my butt off. I did earlier. so I'm not gonna delete that. And my chat. I'm like, what's wrong with it? Like, seriously, what's so awesome about it? What's so cool? Like, people like my builds. I'm like, okay, then let me build your house then. I'm gonna delete the swimming pool. That's $16,000. I got $16,000 out of that swimming pool, and this is 7 whatever my mom. I got those sprinklers. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm gonna delete that bunk bed. Oh, I like bunk beds. Even though they I like that wall. I seriously like that. I'm like, should I do that wall? And it's so freaking beautiful. I'm like, oh my god. I'm not usually a freaking talker. Ow. Sorry, I have like, whenever I like sit and play Roblox like for a long time, like freaking back starts hurting. Cause I'm sitting straight all freaking day. I don't want to delete my car, but I also want that Jeep. I'm like, I also want that Jeep though too. I don't want the Jeep too. Like, I really wish I could have enough money for like that car and a Jeep. Okay. Thing. This is taking forever. Should be like, what happened to your house? And be like, oh. Oh my god, I thought that was on the floor. Okay. I'm gonna do part 2 of this, me making the house. It's gonna be part 1. I'm a webcam on the part 1 too. And the part 2. I'm freaking stupid. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm trying to delete everything. This is like taking forever. I'm just gonna like press on everything. I have to save these. I wish there was already Christmas ornaments out, but there's no Christmas ornaments out on my update. Like, I wish there was. Are they gonna have like an update in December? It's almost December. I did not realize how much money I had. I have $31,000. I should like build a really. No, I really want to build a mansion, but I have no freaking modern stuff. I'm not saying bad words. Freaking said a bad word, okay? I'm dead. Okay. Oh, hamburgers. Oh, I just deleted the hamburgers. I really need someone to go Skype with me, so like I don't have to talk for them in my YouTube videos. So I have to talk for my daughter. Buy bedroom, buy house that I really loved, but now I don't really love you anymore. Cause I like, oh, my ice cream. I should make a coffee shop next to that house I'm gonna make. I should make a little town. That's what I should do. I should like get some more money, like probably $1 million, probably $1 million to build this, like a small town. But I got a big lot right here. See all this big lot? See, like, phew. Okay, yeah. Almost done deleting stuff. I'm really bad at giving house ideas. Like, I'm really bad, but people say I'm really good. I'm like, how the frick am I good? Okay, I think that's all. Like, we have a clothes basket. We have a wall again. Should I do like one of those modern? I know what I should do. It's like one of those things that lead up to the door, like one of those stairs, because it's not gonna be a second. I'm sorry, I'm really stupid. Oh my god. I had like a small house, but I deleted it. Like it was so cute, and it was ugly actually. I really did not like it. Should I go work for a little bit? Why wouldn't it let me move the car? R R R R R R R R. Oh, I keep doing it. Like people be donating to me. What? I did not do that. People be donating to me, and I donate the money back because like I feel like I really don't like when people donate me stuff. I'm gonna like go work for a minute, like work for a little bit until I get to 50K, which will probably take long because I work as a delivery person in a janitor. What the frick happened? I worked as a janitor person. Sorry, I can't talk. Janitor person, and that's a nice house, I guess. Janitor person and a delivery person, and it's really easy to get that much money. So, yeah. And I have the game pass. Hold up, I have 3 game passes. I don't have the unlock stereo. I don't have the premium. I have the excellent employee. I have the large plot. I have the advanced placing. I have the multiple floors. And on New Year's Eve, my mom's probably gonna. I told my mom she could buy me the premium and the stereo because yeah. Hopefully they add new stuff. I don't want to pass this red light. Red light. No! What did I freaking... The red light, okay? Don't go on a red light. See, the red light, it's flashing red. Ow! That really hurt. Sorry, I have like something on my leg. I have a big scar on my leg. Oh, it's green. I usually play some music, so yeah, I'm probably gonna play some music in my... Okay, so you know how everyone says that they eat turkey for their Thanksgiving, and I'm American, whatever, I'm in the USA and all that stuff. Well, I don't. I eat ham. And I eat turkey on Christmas. But I don't have an accent like the other people. I really wish I had an accent. The accent. Oh! I have 2 minutes until this video ends. Yeah, so I'm gonna get up to 50K and then I'm gonna build the house and then I'm gonna give you guys a tour. I'm gonna show you guys of me building the house for a little bit. Because I only have 15 minutes and it's a screen-o-matic. I'll have to buy the premium. No, that's a red light. Yeah, I'll have to buy the premium. Sorry for that background. It's my mom that's deaf. Yeah, my mom's deaf. I know sign language. I have 1 minute till this video ends. You just passed a red light, girl. Why won't it go green? It won't go green. I'm dying. Oh, it went green. I just like totally messed that up. You know how people... Hopefully they don't freaking end my job. Seriously, because every time I walk into the thing, thank you. Every time I walk into the thing, they end my job. And I have like 60 seconds. I'm just kidding. I have like 10 seconds. And that's the end of the video. I'll do a part 3 of me. Part 2. Wow, part 3. I'll do a video of me building a house. Or a person's house. And bye, guys.